Hello everybody and welcome to section 4. After we know how to create 2D sketches and how to turn them into fully defined sketches, and after we know how to modify them, it's the time to talk about 3D modeling. We will start with what we call sketch-based features, and we will start with a very important tool, which is Extruded Boss. Let's create a new part. Since the name is sketch-based features, that means we need to create 2D sketches and later we can convert them into 3D bodies. The simplest example, if we have a circle here and this be 50, finish the sketch, click the scroll and hold and rotate the view. Now imagine if we give this circle a height. It will become a cylinder, and this is exactly what Extruded Boss feature does. So you need to make sure that the sketch is selected from here and then select Extruded Boss. Now we have this thickness, and here we have some options to talk about. Let's start with direction 1. So this is the direction of the extrude. This value is 10 millimeters, which is the depth. Let's change it to 50 and notice the difference. So basically this value controls the height of the cylinder. Now let's say you're not happy with this direction. You want to be the opposite, like somewhere here. In this case, simply you can select reverse direction. And notice that our circle is still here. And the extrude goes to the left or to the right. Now, what if I want 50 of this height to the left and another 50 to the right? In this case, instead of a blind, you can open this and select mid-plane. Now, our sketch is here, and we have 50 to the left and 50 to the right. Let's go back to blind, and let's say I want 100 millimeters to the left, and I want 30 millimeters to the right. In this case, we call this direction 1, and we can define direction 2. And here, as you can see, we have one arrow here, which means 1, and we have 2 arrows here, which means 2. So instead of 10, I will define 30. Once you're done with this, hit OK. And here you have this cylinder. SolidWorks automatically lists your sketch under this feature, and it hides this sketch. Now select the sketch, and here you will find Show. Here we have the sketch, so we have 100 units here, and we have 30 units here. You can change this view, so you can see the location of the sketch. And you can hide this sketch once again. Now, you can modify this sketch, and everything will be modified with it. Remember that whenever you have many loops like this, SolidWorks fills the enclosed area between them. So here, this is the enclosed area between this circle and this one. So basically, we will have a cylinder, but we will have a hole inside. Let's see this. So once again, it fills the enclosed area, which is this area. As we earlier discussed, you need a flat surface to start the sketch. So it's not limited to these planes. Now I have this flat surface. I can select this face, and here select sketch. If you don't have a normal view to this face, simply select the sketch from here, and then normal too. Now, if I finish this sketch and I try to extrude this, I will have this shape. Once again, I just need a flat surface to start my sketch, so I can select this one. And now you can extrude this. We can modify this sketch by opening the last extrude feature. And let's say I want to add a square here. As you can see, using extruded boss is very easy and straightforward. You only need to have a closed sketch without any intersection. Later on, we will talk about some problems with this feature.